As of 2024, approximately 12.9 million Americans follow the keto diet each year. This reflects the growing popularity of the ketogenic diet as more people turn to low-carb, high-fat eating plans for weight loss and health benefits. Being healthy is a lifestyle.
Join me as I take on the ultimate challenge of starting a keto diet for 30 days and see how it changes my life. So, you want to know about the keto diet, right? Well, let me tell you, it's a complete game changer. The basic premise is simple: low carb, high fat eating. Sounds crazy, I know, but trust me, it's a revolution. And it's not just about weight loss, it's about changing your entire relationship with food and your body. The keto diet is all about getting your body into a state of ketosis, where it's burning fat for fuel instead of carbs. And the results are amazing. I know what you're thinking: isn't fat bad for me? Or how do I even start this thing? And those are totally valid concerns. I mean, we've been taught for years that fat is the enemy, and that low fat is the way to go. But the truth is, our bodies need fat to function. And when you're eating the right kinds of fat, in the right amounts, it can be a total game changer. The other thing people struggle with is meal planning. It can seem overwhelming at first, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, it's a breeze. Another thing that holds people back is the fear of not being able to stick to it. What if I have a cheat day? Or what if I slip up? But here's the thing, it's not about being perfect. It's about making progress, and being kind to yourself along the way. And yes, you will slip up, we all do. But the key is to not let that slip up turn into a full-on derailment. You get back on track, and you keep moving forward. And then there's the complexity of it all. People get bogged down in the details, and they give up before they even start. But the truth is, it's simpler than you think. Once you understand the basics, it's just a matter of making a few simple swaps in your diet. And the benefits far outweigh any perceived complexity. So, what are the benefits, you ask? Well, for starters, there's the weight loss. And I'm not just talking about a few pounds, I'm talking about a complete transformation. But it's not just about the number on the scale, it's about feeling energized, and focused, and just overall, feeling like the best version of yourself. And let's not forget about the mental clarity. It's like a fog lifts, and suddenly, you can think clearly again. Of course, there are some potential drawbacks to the diet. For some people, it can be tough to get into ketosis, and for others, it can be hard to stick to. But for me, the benefits far outweigh any potential drawbacks. And the truth is, once you get into a routine, it's just like any other diet. You make it a habit, and you stick to it. I want to share a story with you. It's about a friend of mine who was struggling with her weight for years. She tried every diet under the sun, but nothing seemed to work. Until she found the keto diet. And let me tell you, the transformation was incredible. She lost weight, she gained energy, and she just overall felt like a new person. And it wasn't just about the physical changes, it was about the mental shift, too. She felt confident and empowered, and just overall felt like she could take on the world. One of the things that really stood out to me about her story was the sense of community she found. She joined a keto group online, and suddenly, she was surrounded by people who were going through the same thing. And that, I think, is the key. Having that support system in place can make all the difference. So, what's the takeaway from all of this? For me, it's simple: the keto diet is a game changer. It's not just about weight loss or improved energy levels, it's about transforming your entire relationship with food and your body. And I want to encourage you, if you're thinking about trying the keto diet, don't let fear hold you back. Take the leap and see how it changes your life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more keto tips, recipes, and inspiration. I'll see you in the next video.